Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you as to how you can create an invoice, this time using Xero. Alright, so once you logged into your Xero account, it should take you to this landing page. This is your Xero dashboard, and to create an invoice, there's actually a few ways to do it, but the fastest I'm going to show you is by clicking this plus icon up at the top right. So when you click that, there should pop up a few options or some options: invoice, bill, contact, quote, purchase order, etc. But for this video, we are going to be going with invoice. So clicking that should take you immediately to the invoice page. Okay, now when you're creating an invoice, the first thing you'll need to do, same with the QuickBooks, you'll need to fill out the contact or the customer or you'll be sending this invoice to. So for the sake of our example, let's choose the first one that shows up, 24 locks. Okay, so the next thing you'll need to put in or to check would be the issue date. By default, it's gonna show the today's date. Next would be the due date. So you will need to select a date as to when this is gonna be due. It can be due in 7 days, in 14 days, first of next month, 20th of next month, end of next month. It would be up to you as to um, when the due date is going to be supposed to be for this invoice. The invoice number is going to be automatically filled out as well, but you can also manually put in the invoice number. Reference, if there's a reference for this, you can put it here. The branding theme, um, which I'm going to show you later. So you can actually create a theme for your invoice. And this is going to be discussed later on the next video. Next would be the online payment or the payment method. So you can you can choose to add one. We can talk about adding online payment methods later. Um, but for this particular customer or this invoice, there's a couple of options. Actually, there's one option, PayPal. But yeah, you can add some other options as well, payment options. Later on, that's going to be discussed as well. All right. Next would be the currency. And here you can also set if the tax is going to be exclusive or inclusive, or you aren't going to be applying tax on this video instead. So those are your tax options when invoicing a customer. So once that is reviewed, next thing you'll do is to put in the details of this invoice. So let's just go with golf balls, white single. And as you can see, it automatically filled out the information for us, but you'll have to review it. If you would need to change it, you may, because this GB1 white is created with pre-filled information already, so that's why it's coming up with these option right here. But then again, you can select or you can choose, you can opt to change the description, the quantity. Let's just say 10. You can just keep the price as it is, 560. And the account, which is the chart of account, it's going to go to, or it's going to reflect on. So it's going to be 200, which is the sales account. The tax rate is 8.75. and the tax amount is 4.90. And on the rightmost section would be the total amount. Now, below it is going to show you the uh, total and the tax rate computation. So 56, and then the tax rate at 8.75. So that's broken down into 4.5% and then 4.25%. State tax, which is 4.5, and then city tax at 4.25, which is equivalent to 2.52 and 2.38 respectively. And it should come up to a total of $60.90. So when everything is all good, you can then go ahead and hit on approve and email button at the top right, the blue one at the top right. All right, but since this is just a sample, we won't be sending this. Instead, let's take a look at what it looks like when it's emailed to your customer. Let's go ahead and click this preview. Okay, so this is what the customer would see when they receive this invoice. This is a printable copy. Uh, they can download it and print it if they want to save a copy of this specific invoice. And that's how you can send or create and send an invoice to your customers in Xero. I hope you like this. Hope you find it helpful. Please drop a like, leave a comment as well, and stay tuned for my next videos. Cheerios.